In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear inside door handle on this Honda Civic. This will be located inside of the rear door. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we want to do is have the door in the open position. We're going to start removing the area that houses our window switch. To do this, I'm just using a small pocket screwdriver, and if you are looking along the edge here, I'm going to make my way all the way over towards this edge, and we should be able to gently pry this up. Now along this outboard side here, or what would be the rearward side I guess you'd say, you want to carefully start pulling it out. It has a small locating tab that tucks in and behind the armrest. Let's go ahead and turn this over so we can have a look along the inboard side. Now for this, it has a locking tab. You just want to go ahead and press that in. You can use your finger or just continue with a small pocket screwdriver if you'd like. We're just going to go ahead and press that in and pull this out of place. A quick inspection of that wiring harness. You can set that aside. Now just behind that area, we're going to find that we have a Phillips head mounting screw holding the door panel to the door. Let's remove that now. Let's move up from there to the inside door handle. There's a small trap door. We're going to have to dislodge that. Right up along the top, you're going to find that you have a locking tab. You can use a pocket screwdriver to gently pull down on that. We'll pull this out of place. Just using an angled pick. There's that locking tab right there. Set that aside. That exposes our Phillips head screw behind this area. We're going to use a plastic trim tool to separate the trim panel from the door itself. You just want to try to get in between that area. We'll gently start pulling it away, starting down along the bottom. As we make our way up towards the top, we'll have to start lifting up. But keep in mind, there are still cables leading to that inside door handle. There we are. Okay, let's start lifting this up. Now as we start pulling this away, I'm going to take the door handle off of the door panel. To do that, you're going to find that you have 4 locking tabs. You can use your small pocket screwdriver or trim tool, whatever you want. Go ahead and start pressing those locking tabs away. There's one on each corner here. Okay. The last one should just roll out of place. Let's set that door panel aside. Now we can start removing the cables from the inside door handle. A quick look along the back side. Make sure you do not mix up your 2 cables here. For these, they both separate fairly the same. Make our way right under here. This should pivot up. Sometimes you can do it by hand. Now we'll pull it away. Pivot it out of this location. You can see the small groove where it comes out of. A quick inspection of that cable. Obviously replace it as necessary. That one looks fine. We're going to do the same thing for the other one. There it is, friend. All right, let's get ready to install our inside door handle. We're going to start with the cables along the back side there. Make sure you have them in the proper orientation. And slide it right into the groove. We'll pivot the casing along into its mounting point and press it in. Listen for a click from that. We're going to lock it down. Audible click once again. A quick wiggle to double check, make sure that's properly secured. Repeat the process for the next one. Press that in, lock it down, double check. Perfect. Let's make sure that our handle's in the proper placement. That's going to go with the hooks into these 2 ports on the door itself. Just go ahead and line it up, slide it over. Now let's go ahead and focus on that door panel itself. Up along the top where I'm holding on to, we have this hooked area that will slide over the edge of the door. And also, as you make your way all the way around the door panel itself, you're going to find that you have several adapters or clips that are going to press into their circular ports on the door itself. Let's start bringing this in. You also want to pay attention to your window wiring harness. You don't really have to worry too much about it. Just make sure it is accessible through the port in the door panel. Now as we start bringing this over, I'm also paying attention to my vapor barrier. I like to have this pressed up on here at this point. Let's start coming up nice and high. I'm going to bring that hooked area of the door panel over the door lip, and now we can start aligning this and pressing it in. We're also paying attention all the way around the door panel itself for those clips, aligning them with their ports. Let's tap this in. Now, before I continue too much further with that, let's also just make sure that we still have our wiring harness in the area that we can gain access. Double check up along the inside door handle. We want to make sure this is aligned. I'm going to tap this in now. The door handle did have those 4 clips around it holding it to the door panel. We just want to make sure that that does not move around. As you can tell, that's perfectly latched in. Let's just double check the rest of the door panel. Now, right inside this area, we're going to install our mounting screw. Let's get that in position. Start it in, snug it up. Keep in mind you are only screwing into plastic here. You don't need to over tighten it. Let's continue on with our window switch. Just go ahead and align that electrical connector. We'll press it in, listen for a click. A light tug confirming that's secured. You don't want that falling out while you're driving down the road. As we slide this panel into position, we want to pay attention close to the armrest. This has to be properly aligned. Just going to go ahead and slide it right in behind here. Roll it down into position. Once it looks like it's aligned, press it in. Let's move up to the screw for the door handle here. It's the smaller of the two. Try to straighten that out here. There we are. Install your protective panel. We have our little locking tab up along the top there. So we're just going to roll this in from the bottom first. Press it in. Now let's test the inside door handle. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.